How to create Canva NFT art step by step. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own NFT art on canva.com for free. So let's get started. Now what you can do is you simply come to canva.com. Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create these amazing designs. You can create presentations, you can edit your videos, you can create your Instagram post or anything you want to. Now Canva also allows you to create these amazing designs and you can actually create your own NFTs with Canva. I will be using Canva's free version today, so you can also use the free version. You don't have to buy the Canva Pro, and the process is super fun and super easy, and the best thing is it is completely free. So what you have to do is just come to canva.com. So before we start designing our NFT, let me show you some of the NFTs that I have already designed with canva.com, and I have listed them on OpenSea. OpenSea is an amazing platform. It is world's first and largest NFT marketplaces, and I have created these NFTs on Canva, and they were created with a free version. So this is how you create different NFTs with Canva. These are the simple ones. You can actually create different, and I will actually show you all of the features. So let's start creating and designing our NFT on Canva. So the first thing is going to be choosing your blank canvas. Now you can actually go ahead and choose the canvas from here. You can go for a logo or maybe an Instagram post, canvas, because these are also the Instagram post one, because this is the good size for NFTs. Or you can go for a custom size from here and you can add the height and width of your choice. So I simply go with a Instagram post canvas, and it is easy to use and the size is perfect. So this is my blank canvas, you can see right here, and this is the canvas we work on. Now if I want to add another page, I can simply add from here. If I want to increase the size for this one, for example, I want to get a zoom view, I can just simply do right here, and I can zoom it as much as I want to get the view, and as small as possible. So I can just keep it in the middle where I can get the view of my NFT. Okay, perfect. So this is going to be the size of my canvas, and I have zoomed in for 36 to get the view of all NFT. Of course, it's just your canvas that what size you want to work on. After that, you can just simply go ahead and you can see the option of try Canva Pro here. If you want to go ahead and go for the Pro version, you can click right here, then this share option and download, from where we will download our NFT. So what happens is you will see the option of templates. Now templates, these are the different templates that have been created already from Canva, but we will not be using these because we are going to be creating our own NFT on Canva. So what happens is simply go to elements. In elements you will find all of these amazing elements to add, for example lines and shapes, and you can add photos and graphics as well, and we will be adding graphics to our NFT, and that's why Canva is super easy and one of the best options to create your NFTs, because you design your own NFT, but you can use the free graphics, and you can add colors and text if you want to. So before we start, let's change the color for our canvas, the color for our NFT. So I simply click on this canvas right here, and you will see the option background color, and let's choose a color for our NFT. You can choose from right here, or you can go for any color from here. Let's go with a red maybe, because I have not created a red NFT. So you will see right here I can choose any color I want to. Okay, this color looks pretty good, so I will go with this one. So this will be the background color for my NFT. You can choose from right here. So I have added the background. Now let's add some elements to our NFTs. Again, you can add whatever element you want to add to your NFT. You can go to graphics and check out the different graphics, or you can search from here. So what I do is I actually create these Bitcoin NFTs. I will search for a Bitcoin, and when I do that, I will be able to get all of these different amazing options, different Bitcoins that I can add to my NFT. So what happens is that you will see this crown right here. This is for the pro ones, and if you are subscribed to the pro version of Canva, you will be able to use them. But in the free version, you actually get a lot of cool options and you can choose from them. And there are, in the Bitcoin, you will see in all, I am actually getting the combination of pictures, graphics, and everything photos. But if I'll go to photos, then I will be able to see only pictures pictures and photos, and then I can go to graphics, and I will be able to see all of the graphics available for Bitcoin, and then I will be able to see which ones are free one, because I will be using a free version. So you can choose any from here. You can actually add 3D or GIF style Bitcoins as well. For example, if I go to videos, I will be able to show you. Okay, so you can see these are the different videos for Bitcoin. If I want to create a video NFT, I can do that as well. So if I go to all, I think I will be able to find some GIF style Bitcoins that I can actually add to my NFT. Okay, so you just scroll down and you find the good looking Bitcoin that you want to add. So for now, I am going with a simple one. So I am going with this one right here. So I will simply click on that and it will be added to my NFT. Now the size is pretty big. So what I can do is I will simply click on these dots and I can make it as small as I want to. You simply click on that and then you can simply change the size of the element. So it is going to be this size, and then you click on that and you can just simply move it. You will see these pink lines that actually tell you the center position for the element, and you can see right now it is in the center. So this looks pretty good. Now what I will do is I will actually add another element to my NFT, and that is going to be a square. So what you can do is you can actually add lines and square from here. So what I can do is I can simply click on this square right here and it will be added right here. So what happens is if I show you in see all, you will be able to find all of these different options and shapes that you can add to your NFT, or you can add lines as well. So I am adding this square. Let's put it in the middle. I will increase the size as it should be bigger than the Bitcoin, and then I will change the color for this one. So I will click on this element on this square and I will be able to change the color, and I am going to give it a yellow color, which is the color for the NFT as well. And now I will right click on this and I will get the option of copy if I want to, paste, delete, send backwards. So I will click on that and it will be sent backwards. Okay, I selected twice, so I will delete this one. So I will simply send it back. There you go. So you can see now my square is in the back. So what I will do is I will actually make it a little bigger. Okay, and then again in the middle and in the middle. So this is going to be my NFT. This looks, I think, pretty good. Now I can add as many elements as I want to. For me, I think my NFT looks pretty good now, but I want to just show you that if you want to add text, you add from here. If you want to add any other elements to your NFT, you can just simply click right here and you can go for other graphics or other designs and shapes as well, and you can create these amazing NFTs on Canva.com. You can add actually charts as well. You can add the frames, you can add the grids. So it is a very all-in-one platform that allows you to create amazing graphic designs that you can create, and you can actually design your NFTs as well. So once my NFT is completed, all I have to do is click on download. You can choose the file type on Canva. You can download in PNG, JPG, and PDF as well, MP4 video as well, and GIF too. So we know that NFTs can be created in PNG, JPG, MP4 or GIF as well. So you can save your NFT in any of the form you want to, but I am going with PNG and it is going to be the high quality image. So I will simply click on PNG and download, and it will be downloaded within seconds. So once my NFT is downloaded, then I can just simply go to any of the NFT platforms and put it up for sale. So yeah guys, this is how you can create your NFTs with Canva.com for free. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.